Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to activate and deactivate your passenger's airbag on your Ford B-Max. If you're sitting in a car and you can see in the center console area that the passenger's airbag is on, you should not install a safety seat for children with the looking position at the rear side or to the rear side on the passenger side. If you're going to install such an passenger's kid or children's seat at the passenger side, you have to deactivate first the airbag system on the passenger side. What we are going to do is this. We're going to use our key for this. And this is the manual key. It's not the remote key. Open the passenger's side door and you can look to the outside. You see there is an information about do not install it while the airbag is switched on. Now, if you like to install such a seat, you can switch off the passenger's airbag with the key, as you can see. Now you're able to install a seat which the baby or the kid is looking to the rear. If you switch on the ignition, you will see that the passenger's airbag is off. This is the information. If this icon is switched on, you should not have a seat on the passenger side if you are not sitting in an extra children's seat or something else. If you sit there and the passenger's airbag is switched off and you get an accident, you have a problem, of course. So in this case, if you're sitting and look forward, or your kid is looking forward while it is sitting on the passenger side, you should switch on the airbag again. Okay? How we perform this? We go the same thread. We use our key for that. We open the passenger side door and we switch to the passenger's airbag on position by only using a little bit of our key. After this process is performed, the passenger's airbag is switched on again. We can have an information about in the center console about this. And of course, if this is switched on, the passenger's airbag is switched on, you can have a seat on the passenger side and you will be protected while you get an accident maybe. So that's really important to switch on and off your airbag system on that side. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on the channel. Tot dan!